My name is Asik Kirana, NPM 233-160. NPM 2. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Asik Kirana, NPM 233-160-737. Introduction to processor. A processor, also known as a central processing unit, CPU, is the core component of a computer that performs that essential function of executing instruction and controlling the operation of the entire system. It acts as the brain of the computer, responsible for processing data and coordinating the activity of all other components. Definition of processor. Central Processing Unit, atau CPU. The processor, also known as the Central Processing Unit, is the brain of a computer system. It is responsible for executing instruction and performing calculation to drive the system operation. Core component. The processor is a core component of any digital device, for a desktop and laptops to smartphone and embedded system. It is essential for processing data, controlling peripheral device, and coordinating system with activity. Computer data. Computational power. The processor computation power is measured by factors such clock speed, number of core, and architecture. More powerful processor can handle more complex tasks and deliver faster performance. Function of a processor. Computation. The primary function of a processor is to execute instruction and perform mathematical and logic operation on data. It acts as the brain of a computer, enabling it to process information and carry out complex control. The processor coordinate and manage the flow is data and instruction throughout the computer system. It fetches instruction from memory, decode and control the execution of those instruction. Input output. The processor manages the communication between the computer and its input and output devices such as keyboard, mouse, display, and storage device, enabling the user to interact with the system. Memory management. The processor controls access and transfer of data between the computer memory and other components, ensuring efficiency utilization of the available memory resource. Component of a processor. At the core of processor are the key components that enable its functionality. These include the arithmetic logic unit, which performs mathematical and logic operation, and the control unit, which manages the overall execution of instruction. The processor also contains register which store with data and address, and a cache memory system to improve performance by quickly accessing frequently used data and instructions. Processor architecture. The processor architecture defines the fundamental design and organization of a computer central processing unit (CPU). It encompasses the core component, data pathway, and control mechanism that enable the processor to execute instruction and perform computation. Key elements of processor architecture include the instruction set register file, arithmetic logic unit, ALU, control unit, and memory interface. The architecture determines the processor capabilities, performance, and energy efficiency. Instruction set architecture. Instruction set definition. The instruction set architecture ISA defines the set of instruction and operating that a processor can execute. It specifies and data format, understanding modus and other fundamental aspect of the processor design. Instruction encoding. The ISA also defines how instructions are encoded in binary representation that can be stored in memory and fashioned by the processor. That encoding same determine the size and layout of an instruction. Architectural abstraction. The ISA provides an abstraction layer that separates the hardware implementation of the processor from the software that run on it. This allows software to be portable according to different processor design. Fetch, decode, execute cycle. Number one, fetch. The processor fetches the next instruction from memory, uses the program containing to determine the memory address. To decode, the processor decode of fetched instruction of determine the type of application, operation, and overall required. Number three, execute. The processor perform the required operation such as arithmetic, logic, or memory access and store the result. Memory hierarchy. The memory hierarchy is a fundamental concept in computer architecture that organizes different types of memory based on their speed, capacity, and choice. It consists of register, cache memory, main memory, and secondary storage. The memory hierarchy is designed to bridge the performance gap between the fast processor and the slower main memory, optimizing data access and improving overall system performance. Processor performance factor. Number one, clock speed. The processor clock speed measured in gigahertz determines how many instructions can be executed per second, impacting overall performance. Number two, instruction set architecture. The design of the processor instruction set, including the number and complexity of instruction, affect how efficiently it can execute program. Memory hierarchy. The speed and size of the processor just and main memory impact how quickly it can access data within crucial for performance. Number four, parallelism. The ability of the processor to execute multiple instructions simultaneously through future like multi-core of heavy threading and high overall throughput, calculation, and key takeaways. In summary, the processor is the central component of a computer system responsible of executing instruction and performing calculation. Its key function, architecture, and performance factor have been explored, providing a comprehensive understanding of the crucial hardware element. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.